So in this video I will explain how to use the fast connectors to connect the drop cable, which means 3mm round cable. So first we have to install these kind of pre-terminated box connectors. You can see this is a grommet. So for the grommet, insert these, you can see like a clouds. Okay, then assemble these tails. This is the first step you're doing. The second step is connecting to the round drop cable. Right now I'm using the patch cord, which is also the 3mm. If you are using the 3mm drop cable, it is the same structure and also same flexible. So this is to showing what we're doing. So after that, this is to hold your faster connectors. You can see the holder. Okay, install to this. This is the 3 steps. This is the first preparing steps. Then install your faster connectors. Here it is. Okay. Then now we are preparing the faster connectors. In these videos, I will not do the connecting. I will not do the fiber cleaver. I just want to make it briefly and clearly. So we'll do like this. Okay. So this is a Kevlar. This is a loose tube. So let's just simply cut it, and to show you how to use that. This is a screw type. Okay, how to do that? Install and push it. Okay. By the way, this is only for demonstration, not for the real field operations. Then use the screws. Okay. By now, you can use your scissors to cut the Kevlar. Okay, remove all the Kevlar. Then it is done for the 3mm. Okay, preparing. This is a holder to make sure the faster connector is in the center of these pre-terminated connectors. Okay, then remove the shield of these fast connectors. Okay, so now you go into the important step. You can see we have the gate here. Okay, for the gate, for the gate, remove it, and you can see we have the curve here. So go install it. Oops, also doing some checks. Yep, it is done. Okay, so the preparing is okay. It's finished. The final step to screw it. Then it is done. Okay, so that's all.